Welcome to Blue Hole Garden now. We're gonna go to Blue Hole Garden to see the chapel and to see the blue hole where you can feed the fish, and we see the garden. This garden is a very special garden. It used to be like a American guy come from Israel owned this place, but it changed now. That guy used to be like a Muslim guy used to be here, but it changed over now. So we're gonna enter to the gate to go over to make sure everything is okay, everything is right. In one love, peace, happiness.
Hello guys, welcome to Jamaican. I am at the Blue Hole Gardens and I am still in the Roaring River community, and I just want you to stay tuned so that we can see more.
All these plants you see here, these are bird of paradise. Most of the plants we have here, bird of paradise. So we are entering to the major part of the Blue Hole Garden. This place is a very pioneer spot where a lot of celebrity comes here. Even Chris Blackwell, where is a great man. Who don't know is Chris Blackwell was Bob Marley producer, Bunny Whale producer, and Peter Touch producer.
Ooh.
Get your water, the fish. Get your water, the fish.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm taking out a cake here, a piece of cake. We call it like a bullet cake. So we're gonna feed the fish here in the Blue Hole, and this is the strongest fish in the water. We call them freshwater mullets. They look like a heron. The closer them can step. The closer them can step. That's a major blue hole here, the major one. That's a major blue hole. So I'm feeding the fish them with breads and bun. These are the freshwater mullet. Over on the other side over there, looking at the broadleaf tree, look like some cocoa tree. That one is an olive tree over there. And all the water comes from the Blue Hole. It's run dry sometimes, and sometimes you run a couple months with water, couple other months no water. We're gonna leave from here now, we're gonna go to the chapel. This one over here, it's a tambourine tree we have over here. A tambourine is very good. We have it in the supermarket, we have all over. When you're going to school, this one you got here, it's on cattail. We have right here. This is a cactus we have here. We have 50 different species of cactus we have in Jamaica. That's a major cactus we have on this side. Over on this side is a chapel where a lot of people come to wedding and married and stuff like that. Family union, picnic and stuff like that. Going in the garden, although we are still in the garden. We're going to a source in the garden again. where different water run from, because we have different spring from the blue hole in the same garden. And all these you see on the ground here, it's an apple tree, but it's a blossom from it. We most in Jamaica call it Jamaican apple, but most people from around the world call this one the Ethiopian apple in the original way. So all these are the what? From it, the blossom that comes from the tree. This one over here, it's an avocado tree known as a pear tree. We have a lot of coconut tree in the garden the same way. We have guinea trees, we have a lot of fruits, palm trees and stuff like that in the garden. A lot of Jamaican people eat the fruits.
Oh, okay.
It's like the American apple, but we call this one Jamaican. A lot of foreign people call it Ethiopian apple.
Okay.
All these that we see are this different water again, different from the one in the blue hole. This water comes from a different spring again.
Which spring it's coming from?
It's coming from the Seven River, right by the water head. Where it's another part. Even they said it's a fountain, but it's not the fountain. The drinking source is a fountain where it never run dry.
Oh, okay.
And this part is another stream again, inside of the what? Where it comes from the head source. We used to use this as the original pool. Sometimes you see this spot here, no water here. It's run very dry. Now we're going in the fruits garden, in the same blue hole garden, where we have the mango tree, we have the pineapple tree, we have the cassava, we have a lot of things in the garden as fruits. Mango tree.
A big farm.
Yeah, man. This one is a guava tree. This is a guava tree we have here, where we make the guava jelly jam from this one. Over there was the ripe banana we have over there. We have the sugar cane over there too. The water coconut, we have the water coconut over there. We have the green one and we have the dry one and the tree. This is the Jamaican bread fruit tree we have here. Christopher Columbus brought it in the ocean. Captain Bligh brought it on the land of Jamaica. This that we have here, this is sweet potato we have right here. It's grow underneath the ground. It's just like the one that you call, like, I'm gonna tell you what you call that one. It's just like this one, you call it like the cassava.
Oh.
It grows just like cassava underneath the ground. Sweet potato. So I told you we're on the farm. We're moving up close to the sorrel now. We're gonna show you the Jamaican sorrel. We almost get close to the Christmas. We plant the sorrel for a Christmas drink. And this one is the sorrel we have here. We use it for Christmas drink. In mostly every house in Jamaica, when you get close to Christmas, coming on to Christmas, we make this drink and cook a goat. If you don't cook a goat, you can cook half, or you can cook 1 pound, or you can cook 2 pounds. Curry goat and sorrel. Go with ginger. And this one we have here, it's a cocoa bean, what we use to make the chocolate we got right here. This one is a green one, and this one is a dry one. When it's get yellow like this one, you know it's ready. Up top there. See it coming from, and the rats, we have the Jamaican rats, they always love these. So most of the dry one that you see, the rats eat the seeds out. Look just like the olive tree, but it's not an olive. It comes to perfection. You know that it's a ready one for ripe banana, but this one you could cook it for a green banana to eat.
Noni.
This is the ending of the Blue Hole Garden. So we still are here. One love, one art, more love and more blessing.
Bye.
Hello.
Okay guys, so what we have just done a tour of the Blue Hole Gardens, and I want to tell you it is very beautiful, so you too can come and check it out yourself. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more. Goodbye.